1990 Mazda Miata NA 1.6. An absolutely stunning two-owner car from new. Always garaged with all the factory options. Factory hardtop, factory limited slip, factory headrest speakers, cruise control, air conditioning, power steering, original wheels, new tires. Absolutely a stunning car with no excuses. All the VIN stickers are present. No rust anywhere on this car. 100% solid. Meticulously maintained. Clean Carfax. Gorgeous seats. Gorgeous original carpets and floor mats. And the original soft top with the zip out rear window. 51,000 miles. Leather steering wheel.
Don't worry.
Again, beautiful stereo, ice cold air conditioning just serviced. With the original warranty books. Everything here, spotless. This is absolutely a no excuse car. No previous paint, all original. Spotless, no rust in the engine compartment. Radiator, absolutely gorgeous. No evidence of age. This is rare to find one this clean and this nice. The hardtop has been resprayed because of a few scratches and chips, but it is beautiful. Trunk also gorgeous. Original spare with the lug wrench in the original pouch. Original jack also there. No rust under the doors, no rust under the car. Previous owner also equipped it with a remote CD player in the back. There's your unzip rear window. Just a stunning example of a 1990 Miata. If you're a collector, this car was produced in 11 of 89. With every option, we have the sticker.